Hi friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is super amazing, very easy, and especially loved by kids. The best part is, you can make it at home with very simple ingredients. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss any new recipes. Now, let's move towards the recipe. First of all, take 3 bread slices and cut them into your favorite shapes, round, square, or any design you like. Next, lightly grease a pan with oil and place the bread pieces gently on it. Now take some pizza sauce and spread it evenly on each bread slice. After that, add cheese generously on top. You can customize this recipe by adding your favorite toppings: sweet corn, tomatoes, or anything you like. Then sprinkle a little chili flakes and oregano for extra flavor. Once everything is nicely layered, cover the pan with a lid and cook on low flame. Let it cook for about 15 minutes on steam cooking. After 15 minutes, open the lid and you'll see perfectly melted cheese and a delicious homemade snack ready to serve. This recipe is quick, tasty, and perfect for kids' snacks or evening tea time. Try it at home and let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching.